Hello, my name is Ken. I'm from Oregon. This is actually my second Drone Command Live, and I'm not a success story. I'm more of a cautionary tale. You see, the first Drone Command Live I went to had almost the exact same information in it. Before coming to Drone Command Live, I had a real estate photography business, and I got into drones because my clients demanded it. But I wanted to know if I could take it further than I had. So I went to Drone Command Live and I got some great instruction and some great ideas and simple follow the numbers step by step instructions. I took copious notes. I came home fired up. I took those notes and I put them in the closet. And I decided, you know what? I've got a business. I'm just going to run it and see what I can do with it. I had been in touch with some of the Drone Command Live alumni that I attended with, and they were killing it. I'm talking $200,000 to $500,000 a year. I wasn't. So I actually contacted them and said, "Hey, what exactly are you doing?" And they said, "I'm doing exactly what Damon and Diego told us to do at Drone Command Live." So that was a head slap moment, and I decided, you know what? I'm not going to just take the notes out. I'm going to attend again. And this time I'm going to do it right. I'm going to take the notes, keep the notes out, and follow the directions step by step. I'm excited to see where it goes. I know firsthand where it can go and where it should go because of the people I know. And I hope this information was helpful to you. If you attend, take notes, learn the system, do the system. That's all I've got. Thanks for your attention.